Did you know if you are a U.S. citizen or green card holder living abroad and you've never filed U.S. tax returns, you may not be compliant and putting yourself at huge risk? In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you how not to get in trouble. Hi, I'm Patrick Evans, founder of U.S. Tax Practice. I'm a U.S. certified public accountant living in Switzerland, helping U.S. taxpayers here and the rest of Europe. Did you know that U.S. citizens and green card holders who are looking to come into compliance can take advantage of two favorable programs offered by the IRS? In this video, I will take you through the first program, but make sure you watch it to the end so you can see more about the second program. The first program is called Streamlined Filing Compliance Procedure. This program is intended for Americans who have not been compliant due to unwillful activity. Unwillful is simply not knowing you had to file your taxes or weren't aware of the U.S. tax law. This is normal in most instances, as the United States is one of only 2 countries in the world who tax their individuals on citizenship and not residency. And this is not uncommon among accidental Americans or expats living abroad for a long period of time. By entering this program, you may waive all the penalties associated with late filing or be subject to only a 5% penalty. The Streamlined Filing Compliance Procedures program requires U.S. taxpayers to file tax filings for the previous 3 years, not including the first year, and FBARs, foreign bank account reports, for the previous 6 years, not including the current year. Also, U.S. taxpayers must complete a certification statement justifying why they haven't been compliant in the past. We can help you with all of these to ensure that you are accepted into the program and any risk of penalties is minimized or eliminated. To clarify on the point of penalties, the 0% penalty is intended for U.S. taxpayers who have lived outside of the United States for an extended period of time. The 5% penalty is for U.S. taxpayers who have lived in the United States but have income outside of the United States. What I've just talked about relates to unwillful or not knowing you had tax filing obligations in the United States. In my next video, we'll discuss Offshore Voluntary Disclosure Program, which is for people who willfully and knowingly evaded taxes in the U.S. If this sounds like you may be exposed to potential criminal liability. If you have a more specific question on U.S. tax compliance, contact us at country code 41 followed by 525334581. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tax updates and tips. I'm Patrick Evans with U.S. Tax Practice. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.